Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September 30th, 2020, and we're going to be doing some fall foliage tours here, but they're coloring up real nice for us here. And the wind's blowing today up here. It's a cool autumn day. Now some of the trees are just starting to turn, and some of them are about at their peak for turning. There's a pretty orange and red one there nestled in with the other trees. A little walk here back through the woods. And you can see here all the pretty colors of the leaves that fell so far. Oh, that's a pretty one there. Now they say that you can preserve your leaves in the silica gel. And I have experimented with that a little bit. I'll put a link down in the description for the brand that I use. Beautiful fall colors this year in the trees. So I hope you enjoyed the little mini tour of some of the fall foliage. And as this continues to turn more, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show it to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.